Hey there, welcome back guys. In this video we're going to be going over the DJI, as you can see here, floating case for your Action 4. Does it actually work? My kids were like, hey, can we bring the camera in the water? They had this whole idea of taking it on the obstacle course, and we saw all these reviews online with all these other camera flotation devices, and as you can see, none of them worked. And so we figured, hey, let's try that one. So we saw all the Amazon reviews, and this one seemed to get pretty good ones. This one, I don't know. As you can see, it's still sealed. Will it float our boat, or I don't know. I wonder if you have flyaway for this version of the DJI camera. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's have a look and see what this baby can do. Because I can't wait. There's this really amazing obstacle course I want to take with the kids. Like always, DJI. Oh wow, nice packaging. This thing is huge. You definitely won't lose it. Look at that. It's like a looks like a little rubber brick. Oh nice. It's made of foam, so it should float. This. Look at that. Yeah. But remember, we're taking this into the ocean. This is for the experience, so that when we go to the beach, we don't have to worry about losing anything or everything. And it can happen. Oh wow, look at that. Some nice tethering cord that you can't lose. Let's see if it's, look at that. So you can actually put it on your wrist, so you can do like this, right? And then, so now it's secure to some extent. Oh wow, it's on there. This is nice. This is exactly what I was looking for, but it needs to do what we want it to do. So presumably you would run it through here underneath, right? And oh nice, there's a really strong hard plastic that's holding this together. I wonder if I squeeze it how deep. Yeah, it goes in pretty deep, so it's in there. So the hardest part will probably be getting this through the hole, if we can see. See? Voila. To some extent. See? Once you put that through, then we run this through like this. And then we'll pull it. It's in there. Like if you feel really hard, it's securely in there. And it's really strong foam. And it's designed for the Osmo. It doesn't say Action 4, Action 3, Action 2. Most likely it's a universal fit. There's a little hole over here on the side. So you want to make sure that you have your door closed. And once your door, well, let's put it in. I wonder how, I guess it goes in that way. So we're going to disconnect it from the camera. We're going to go 1, 2, 3. So this is not coming out. This is good luck getting it out. Kind of neat, huh? And there we have it. Wow. This is not coming out. But let's see if it floats. Will it float? I don't know. Let's try it out at the beach. So presumably you're a strong swimmer. You could definitely swim after this thing as it floats in the ocean and takes on the currents. A little strong, but ideally in the pool, it's just amazing. Beach works well too, but depending on where you are, on which part of the ocean, you know, those crisp blue colors are really important if you want to capture the video. But let's do that float test. Check it out. It stays afloat, and like I was saying, you can definitely swim after it. The kids had a blast filming underwater, as you can see, and you know, if they lost it, that's okay. It would be wrapped around their wrist, or just simply float above the water, you know, and just do everything it needs to do to secure that camera. But look at that experience that you get from the video. Kind of neat, huh? I gotta love it. Can take it into the ocean. Now this is really good if you're going on an adventure, an action park, or if they let you bring your camera. You don't have to worry about losing it. You don't know how many times we've gone to the park where this obstacle course is, and people have lost their phones in the water. They let you bring your phones, you can do your selfie, but can you imagine doing a selfie and when you're jumping off and then all of a sudden, what? Well, now you can save the day. Kind of neat, gotta love it. Anyway, I hope this video helped you if you're into the adventure and thinking about bringing your Osmos Action 4 in the water, in the ocean, in the pool, in the stream, or in your boat, or wherever it is, maybe jumping from a plane. You know, this little floating case might work right for you. Anyway, if you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave them down below, or ideas for other videos. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.